and I'm gonna end up having some overall hot takes, and I'm not worried about saying this now because we will discover at the end with our wrap up and rankings and everything that our rankings are never what we think they're going to be. So right now I'm going to say this is my second favorite Texas Chainsaw.
Same.
Yeah. And my third favorite's the whatever the fucking, I can't ever remember which one it is, but where she goes, do your thing, cuz.
Just say the bare minimum for what this franchise is and you will get it right. Can you guess that? What did you just call it?
Do you think, cuz?
No, before that. The franchise. What do you call the franchise?
Texas Chainsaw.
That's the name of the movie.